Hello everyone, welcome back to my art studio. Sitting here and sharpening a green colored pencil. Pressed record on my camera and I started to doodle, capturing the process. And then this bird kind of creature happened. I like to make these drawings, or most of what I'm doing is very intuitive, and I'm not really planning anything before I begin. I just start and I go with what the drawing or the painting wants to. I'm just following the drawing in a way. Not really thinking too much. And now I'm doing the coloring process. I also don't think too much. I'm probably just working with contrast. So there's some differences going on. For some reason decided that the tree was going to be red, blue earth, green eyes, and a yellow sky. Waited until the watercolors were completely dry before I went in with my inking here. And yeah, it's been a while since I made one of these process videos. Had a little break. Had 2 art exhibitions. I had an art workshop, drawing workshop, which I was hoping to make some videos from all of that. But time has been a little short lately. And it's also the danger of having breaks, because you end up having longer breaks than you intended. I had not planned to have this long of a break. Last year I made one of these videos every single day, and I decided that this year I was going to have some breaks, but I had not planned to have this long break. But I'm still making a drawing or a painting every single day, finishing something, and you can see that on my Instagram channel. So if you're on Facebook or YouTube, or actually on Facebook I'm also posting every day, but sometimes I'm posting more stuff on Instagram than on my Facebook. But I'm sorry for you guys on YouTube for having to wait. I know that you have been impatient, some of you guys, and some of you have been very patient, and thank you for waiting. And I think I'm going to have some videos more often, or that's the plan. We'll figure out some fixed days where I make videos, maybe Tuesdays and Thursdays or something like that. So that there will be 2 videos a week or something like that. Not every day. Here I'm doing the final stuff with my colored pencil. And this is the finished result. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you again very soon, later this week. And until then, be well and goodbye. Peace.